Okay, first, if you hear any noises in the background, that's my daughter doing her e-learning lessons, and we're going to get ours. Uh, Today we're going to start talking about odds and how that works with probability. Um, Probability is the number of ways to win divided by the total number of possible outcomes, right? And it's usually read for X number of wins out of some number of total possibilities, right? So this is usually like if the probability of winning is 4 out of 5, that'd be read as 4 out of 5. That's the chances of winning. All right. Odds, on the other hand, very similar, not quite the same. That'd be the number of ways to win, colon, the number of ways to lose. And it's usually read as wins to losses. We read them out differently so that you know what we're talking about. So in this situation, if I had 4 out of 5 ways to win, that means I have 4 ways to win. 2, the other way is a loss. So it'd be 4 to 1. A lot of gambling houses like to use odds because 4 out of 5 involves a larger number, whereas 4 to 1 seems like, I don't know, people sometimes make these things seem like since they're dealing with smaller numbers, it makes it seem like you have a better chance of winning. Usually they're trying to take advantage of people that can't do math. All right. I like to say this is like a winning percentage, right? Your chances of winning, and these are the odds. This is a win to loss record. I'll show you with a quick example. All right. So our teams played 10 games this year, and they won 7 of them. So the probability of them winning is 7 out of 10. Makes sense? The probability of them losing, remember that's from yesterday, that's the complement of winning, is losing. That would be the other 3 out of 10, because they lost 3 games out of 10. They won 7 games out of 10. The odds of winning are 7 wins to 3 losses. All right, you'll see how kind of like these numbers are connecting. The odds of losing are 3 losses to 7 wins. This is also called odds against winning. It really is just the odds of doing what you wanted reversed. All right, really cool thing. Let's change these numbers just a little bit, and then I'm going to show you a really awesome thing that once people get, it starts making a little bit more sense. Let's say that instead of winning 7 games, we had won 6. Okay. Now my probability of winning is 6 out of 10, which reduces, since they're both even, to 3 out of 5. Now once I get one reduced number, I have reduced for the probability of winning, everything else reduces exactly the same way. That's pretty cool. Probability of losing now, instead of going 4 out of 10, it's the other 2 games, right? There were 5 games, I won 3 of them, which means 2 of the 5 games were losses. The odds of winning are 3 to 2, right? Odds of losing are 2 to 3. All right. All of you guys that are sports fans, this will make more sense if you've ever looked at standings of something, right? Our team, if you have, home team, go local sports team, you people that are Lego movie fans, right? We have wins, we have losses, and they have winning percentage, right? Let's even, so, I don't know. Kate, you okay? Hold on. Let's say we play 8 games and we win. Let's say we're fairly good but not awesome. Let's say we win 5 of them. That means we lost 3, right? Our winning percentage is 5 out of 8. Right? Right, or I guess that would be 62.5%. right? So, and let's say we don't like the losers. They also played 8 games. They won 2, which means they lost 6, right? Their winning percentage is 2 out of 8, which means they have now won 25%. Yeah, you see, I picked numbers that give me better math now, right? Watch. All the probability of a win for home team is this number right here. That's their winning percentage. So 5 out of 8, or 62.5%, or 0.625, right? The probability for probably that the losers win is 2 out of 8, or 1/4. I'm going to make that 1/4, right? Or 25%. The odds of the home team winning, that is just 5 to 3, right? The odds of the losers winning is 2 to 6, which reduces just like a fraction would, of 1 to 3, because they're both even. So I can make that 1 to 3. That kind of makes sense. That's the basics of odds. I'm going to attach a worksheet for you to go ahead and play around with some of this. Don't get hung up on it. It's an important thing, mainly so you don't get tricked in the future. But they're sometimes fun. You have to be able to see what you're talking about and transition from one to the other. All right, that's it for today. Oh wait, no, I have some practice problems. We have a couple real quick. If I roll a die, I need the odds of getting a 2. Well, on a die, there's only 1 2, right? And there's 5 other numbers. So the odds of getting a 2 are 1 to 5. All right, if I'm drawing a card from a deck, odds of getting a spade, right? There's 13 spades, 52 total cards, but what, 39 of them are not spades, right? Which reduces, also there's 4 suits. Oh, I can't do a spade anymore. It's upside down heart with the stem. Diamonds, clubs, and hearts, right? One of them's a spade, and the other 3 are not. So the odds of getting a spade are 1 to 3. And if I'm tossing 2 coins, I know, I'm throwing a lot of that at you fast, but I figured you guys can pause and go back, right? Tossing 2 coins, and getting 2 tails. Well, real quick, if I'm going to toss 2 coins, I can get heads, 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 tails, tails, heads, tails, tails, right? This is the only way to get 2 tails. These other 3 ways are a loss. So the odds are 1 to 3. And I'm not going to see you tomorrow or next week, but I'm still hoping it'll be sometime soon. Now, that is it. Hope you're doing good. Click on the Miro board, hit join, and unmute your microphone. Talk to me if you have questions. We'll get through this. We will get through this. Bye.